Hi, today I will explain the concept of carbon register and color code. And this is the part of current electricity, and this will be my fifth lecture on current electricity. So now we know that the carbon register is a part of commercial register, and we have commercial register. There are two types. One is wire bound register, and second one is carbon register. Wire bound register is very simple. When a wire of nichrome or manganese, these are what alloy, are bound on a insulated base, then we obtain carbon register. The advantage is what? This is insignificant with temperature, and disadvantage is what? If we want to make a high resistance value, then we need a large length of the manganese or constant time. But carbon register is very useful, and it has wide use or application in electronic gadgets, and it is very cheap and compact. And advantage is what? It is cheap and compact, and we can form it from a few ohm to a million, several million ohms of the register, and which will be more beneficent for us. Now the carbon register is the mixture of three things. First one is carbon black, second one is clay, and third one is resin. Resin is what? Resin is simply an organic compound which is obtained from a plant, and it consists of non-crystalline liquid substance. Now the mixture of these three things is pressed, and it is melted into cylindrical rod by heating, and it is taken in a plastic jacket, and now it is ready to use in various appliances. So now here, what is color code? Color code, simply color code, it predicts or indicates the value of resistance of carbon register with percentage accuracy, or with accuracy in percentage. So now, what is the color code here? Now we have 10 color coding. First one is B, rod, great, very good. Here now, what we have? B for black, B for brown, R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, Z for green, B for blue, V for violet, Z for grey, and W for white. Now here it is the code, color name, color. Here is number, and second one is multiplier. Number is taken as here from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and multiplier will be 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 6, and 10 to the power 7, 10 to the power 8, and 10 to the power 9. And now tolerance is also given. So tolerance for here gold is 5%, and silver is 10%, and no color for 20%. These are the color coding. These are the color coding. And now I will explain how we can predict the coding printed on carbon register. Now we have a very simple way to remember this coding. Simply we can write here B Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. Now from this letter, B for black, B for brown, R for red, Y for orange, Y for yellow, Z for green, B for blue, V for violet, Z for grey, and W for white. In this way, we can remember the color code. Now, we know that here a number of color rings are printed on the carbon register, and the first color represents the first significant figure. Now the second band represents the second significant figure, and the third band represents the power of 10, and fourth band represents the tolerance. टॉलरेंस ये बताता है कि जो हमारा इंडिकेटेड वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस है वो कितना परसेंट वेरी कर सकता है. तो हम लोग देखेंगे कि हाउ वी कैन राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ कार्बन रजिस्टर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द कलर कोडिंग प्रिंटेड ऑन द कार्बन रजिस्टर. नाउ वी विल सी कि हाउ वी कैन राइट the color coding. Suppose that it is a carbon register. Here is a carbon register, and now here some color is given. Here is, suppose that this one is silver, this one is brown, this one is red, this one is yellow. Then how we can write the value of this carbon register? So first of all, in writing we have to write the number, then number, and in this, for this band we have to write multiplier, and this value will be tolerance. So now we have here coding B Roy. So you can write here B for black 0, B for brown 1, R for red 2, O for orange 3, Y for yellow 4. These are the numbers, and now the multiplier what will be? 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4. And we know that the tolerance, the value of tolerance of silver will be 10%. How we can write here? Now the resistance, the formula is very simple. Resistance equal to number into multiplier and plus minus tolerance. So resistance R will be, now first is brown is what here? 1, number is 1, so 1. Then is what? Red number is 2, then 2, and here is yellow multiplier, we have to write multiplier, so into 10 to the power 4 ohm, plus minus the tolerance of silver is 10%. So in this way we can write the value of carbon register on the basis of color coding printed on the carbon register, and it is very simple, and simply we can write any value if we have we are knowing the value of the numbers and multipliers of different colors and the tolerance. It is very simple. So now in next lecture, in my next lecture, I will explain the drift velocity, the relation between drift velocity and current, drift velocity and mobility. So please you watch it and like it. Thank you.